We've all done it. You walk into Costco for paper towels and milk, and somehow you leave $200 over budget with a cart full of yellow tag deals you didn't plan on buying. Right now, Costco has 32 limited time deals running for July 2026. But here's what they don't tell you on the shelf tags. Not every markdown is an actual bargain. At least 3 of these heavily promoted items are overstocked clearance traps designed to move slow inventory at your expense. In this video, we're running a complete shopping audit, breaking down the real cost per unit math on all 32 deals. We'll look at what's actually worth space in your cart, what's quietly marked up, and the 3 clearance items you should leave right on the shelf. If you want straight to the point price audits without the fluff, hit that subscribe button for Brand Verdict World. Let's start right in the cleaning aisle with a deal that's causing a lot of debate this week. First up is the Cascade Platinum Plus 81 count action packs. They're marked down $5 to $17.99, which breaks down to about 22 cents per tab. If you buy this same line at Target or a local grocery store, you're usually paying closer to 35 cents a tab. Now here's where a lot of people make a costly mistake. They still hand rinse every single plate before loading the dishwasher. Modern dishwasher tabs use active enzymes that need food soil to cling to and break down. When you pre-rinse everything completely clean, the detergent actually works less efficiently, and you're running up your water bill for nothing. You don't have to leave full meals on the plate, but scraping and loading directly saves you time and water. Are you still pre-rinsing your dishes before putting them in the dishwasher? Or have you let the detergent enzymes do the work? Drop your dish routine below. I want to see who's team hand rinse. Right across the aisle, you'll find the 146 wash jug of liquid Tide He Original for $19.19. That works out to 13 cents a load compared to 22 to 25 cents for smaller supermarket bottles. Now, full transparency. A jug this big is heavy, and if you have lower shelving in your laundry room, it can be awkward to place. But the push-button pump dispenser means family members are far less likely to overpour, which is where most household detergent waste actually happens. Moving over to paper goods, the 12-pack of Kleenex Ultra Soft is down to $17.49, roughly $1.45 a box. Walk into a drugstore during summer allergy season, and a single box of 3-ply tissue will easily run you $2.50 or more. Buying the 12-pack here keeps nearly $12 in your pocket. Next to that, Kirkland Signature Create a Size paper towels are down to $18.49 for 12 giant rolls. Kirkland paper products rarely drop below $20, so this aisle gets crowded fast. At $1.54 a roll, the math holds up against name brands on pure square footage value. Rounding out the personal care aisle, we have the Aveeno Sensitive Skin Body Wash 3-pack for $14.99. That's $5 a bottle for a dermatologist-tested formula that usually retails for $8 to $9 individually. It's not a glamorous purchase, but if anyone in your house deals with summer skin irritation, it's one of the most practical savings in the store this week. And finally, in laundry, Downy Ultra April Fresh Fabric Softener is sitting at $13.19 for 170 loads, under 8 cents a wash. If fabric softener is a staple in your household routine, this bottle will easily last a family of 4 to 6 months. Now let's pivot to the section of the store where it's easiest to lose money. The seasonal and appliance markdowns. These 3 deals look impressive on paper, but for most everyday households, they're traps you should probably skip. Clearance trap number 1, the Cuisinart 10-in-1 XL Air Fryer. Oven for $129.99. A $60 discount sounds huge. And look, it's not a bad appliance if you have a massive kitchen island and cook multi-tier meals for 6 people every night. But for 90% of buyers, this unit becomes instant counter clutter. It takes up nearly 2 square feet of space. The stainless steel exterior gets hot during long bakes, and scrubbing grease off interior toaster oven walls is far harder than pulling out a basket. If you just want quick, crisp results without losing your counter space, grab the Gourmet 8-quart digital air fryer for $39.99 instead. It gives you 90% of the functionality, cleans up in 30 seconds, and keeps $90 in your bank account. Clearance trap number 2, the adult commuter. Electric scooter at $149.99. A sub $150 to price tag on an e-scooter is eye-catching. But before you throw it in your cart, check the tire specs. These are 8-inch solid rubber tires with no air cushion or suspension system. If your daily commute involves pristine, perfectly smooth asphalt, it gets the job done. But if you're riding over cracked sidewalks, potholes, or expansion joints, those solid tires transfer every bump straight to your knees and lower back. Unless you're prepared for a rough ride, leave this one on the display. E-scooter commuters out there, am I being too harsh, or do you agree that solid tires without suspension are a recipe for sore knees? Defend your setup in the comments. Clearance trap number 3, Catalina Crunch. Keto cinnamon cereal at $11.99. On paper, 11 grams of protein and 0 net sugar looks like the ultimate low-carb breakfast. But take a close look at the ingredient panel. It packs 9 grams of concentrated chicory root fiber per serving. If you enjoy a small handful as a dry topper on yogurt, it's fine. But if you sit down expecting to eat a large bowl with milk like traditional cereal, that amount of isolated fiber can cause severe bloating. It's not that the product is inherently bad, it's just that most people misjudge how their digestive system will react to it. Which of those 3 clearance traps do you think is the biggest pass? Let me know down in the comments. I reply to as many takes as I can. Now that we've cleared out the traps, we're heading into sports, tools, and home gear. Keep an eye out when we hit kitchenware coming up, because item number 19 is a cookware set that solves a major mistake most people make when buying stainless steel. Plus, stick around for our coffee breakdown near the end, because the math on that single bag pays for half your annual membership. Moving over to the sports and outdoor section, we have the Callaway Edge 10-piece golf club set at $549.99. This set is legendary in the golf community for a reason. It includes a titanium driver, 3-wood, 5 hybrid, irons 6 through 9, pitch and sand wedges, and a genuine Odyssey White Hot Pro putter. That putter alone sells standalone for $120 to $150 at golf retailers. Buying a comparable entry-level set from major sporting chains easily pushes $800. Plus, if you have an executive membership, the 2% cash back on a big purchase like this chips another $11 right off the top. Paired right next to it are the Kirkland Signature 3-layer urethane golf balls, 24 for $34.99. That is $1.45 per ball for a real urethane cover ball that spins and stops on greens, similarly to expensive balls that cost $55 for a single dozen. Unless you are playing on the PGA Tour, paying $4.50 a ball to lose them in the water hazard makes no financial sense when these exist. Next up is the Igloo Max Cold 90-quart roller cooler, down to $69.99. It holds 137 cans, features foam-insulated walls, rated for up to 5 days of ice retention, oversized terrain wheels, and a quick access hatch on top so you don't dump all your cold air every time someone grabs a drink. Similar performance coolers this size often run over $200. Over in lawn and garden, check out the Barbecue Daddy 4-in-1 grill brush for $26.99. Traditional wire grill brushes are a known emergency room hazard because thin metal bristles snap off, stick to grill grates, and end up in cooked food. While no grill tool lasts forever, the Barbecue Daddy uses a woven stainless steel mesh head attached to a steam cleaning armor pad. It eliminates 90% of the bristle shed risk while using steam from your hot grill to strip away burnt grease. In the tool department, the DeWalt 20-volt Max Hybrid Shop fan is marked down to $34.99. This fan runs on both standard wall outlet extension cords or any DeWalt 20-volt power tool battery you already own. If you work in a hot garage, clean out the car, or go camping, having high-velocity airflow that doesn't require an outlet for $35 is an absolute no-brainer. Right nearby is the Whalen 77-inch industrial steel rack for $179.99. Heavy-duty box steel construction with welded wire decks capable of holding 2,000 pounds per shelf, totaling 8,000 pounds. Hardware stores charge $240 to $280 for commercial racks with lighter weight gauges. If your garage or basement is cluttered, this is a permanent structural solution. If you need something smaller for high shelves, the Costco Modern 3-step aluminum ladder is sitting at $29.99. It has an ultra-lightweight aluminum frame supporting up to 300 pounds, wide non-slip steps, and an integrated tool tray handle at the top. Hardware stores routinely charge $45 to $60 for step stools with safety handrails. And finishing up outdoor gear, the Tommy Bahama Solar LED Pathway Light 6-pack is down to $29.99. Unlike cheap plastic solar lights that fog up after one summer, these feature real glass starburst lenses and powder-coated stainless steel stakes. At $5 per light fixture, it is one of the quickest exterior curb appeal upgrades you can buy. Heading into kitchenware, the Henkel's Legacy 12-piece triply stainless steel cookware set is listed at $299.99. Make sure you understand the difference here. This is full-body tri-ply construction, aluminum clad in stainless steel running all the way up the sidewalls, not just a cheap disc bonded to the bottom. Equivalent full-clad 12-piece sets from premium brands easily sell for $400 to $600. For general home lighting, the Globe Decorative LED Flush Mount Light is marked down $10 to $19.99. Integrated LED array means zero bulb replacements for years. While it is a bit modern for a main living room centerpiece, for $20, it is the perfect low-cost replacement for outdated glass dome fixtures in hallways, laundry rooms, or closets. In the apparel aisle, Izod men's comfort stretch jeans are selling for $16.99. They are 98% heavy cotton with 2% spandex flex. Department store tags on these exact jeans show $45 to $50 MSRP. For under $17, these make durable work and yard work jeans that won't tear easily. Over in personal grooming, the Harry's Flamingo women's razor set is down to $19.99. It includes one ergonomic handle, 11 5-blade refill cartridges, and moisturizing cream. Refill blades alone at grocery stores sell for nearly $9 for a 4-pack. Here you get the full kit with 11 blades for under $20, which will easily last through the fall. For emergency prep, the Duracell Tri-Power 5000 lumen lantern is priced at $18.99. It is IPX4 water resistant, features ultra bright COB lighting, and includes a built-in USB power bank to charge your phone during summer storm power outages. Batteries are even included right in the box. Moving to snacks, Jack Link's Teriyaki Beef Jerky 12.25-ounce XL bag is marked down to $10.49. Standard supermarket bags are usually much smaller and more expensive per ounce. This Costco bag gives you over double the volume for less cost, ideal for road trips or summer hiking snacks. In drinks, Coca-Cola 7.5-ounce mini cans 30-pack is down to $13.49. That cuts $3.50 off the regular price. If you constantly find half-empty 12-ounce soda cans sitting around your house getting flat, switching to mini cans cuts waste instantly while controlling sugar intake. For sun protection, the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer SPF 73-piece bundle, 2 sprays and 1 lotion tube, is selling for $14.99. A single bottle of Neutrogena SPF 70 costs $10 or more at drugstores. Getting 3 full-size products for $15 saves you nearly 45%. Over in the chip aisle, Lay's Classic Potato Chips Massive 28-ounce party-size bag is marked down to $4.99, $2 off the usual price. Getting this huge bag for under $5 makes it an easy grab for summer BBQs. For health supplements, Kirkland Signature Vitamin C 1,000 milligrams 500 tablets is marked down to $13.49. A single bottle will last an adult or couple almost a year for just pennies a day while meeting strict USP standards. In coffee, Starbucks French Roast Whole Bean Coffee 2.5-pound bag is down to $14.99. That works out to $6 a pound, which is less than half of what you would pay per ounce for standard grocery store bags. Like I mentioned earlier, saving $15 to $20 on just a couple of these bags over the year pays back half the cost of your annual Costco membership right there. If you're looking for floor care, the Dyson 5.8 extra cordless stick vacuum is marked down $70 to $279.99. While Dyson's newer models cost $600 to $750, the V8 remains the sweet spot for lightweight, reliable cordless cleaning with multi-surface attachments included. In pantry staples, Kirkland Signature Organic Virgin. Coconut oil giant 84-ounce tub is priced at $13.99. Cold pressed, unrefined, and organic. Standard 14-ounce jars sell at supermarkets for $7 to $8, meaning you get 6 times the volume for double the cost. And, wrapping up our 32 deals, the Chefman Dual Basket 9-quart air fryer is marked down to $69.99. It features 2 independent cooking zones, so you can cook main dishes and side dishes simultaneously at different temperatures with sink finish technology. At the end of the day, saving money at Costco isn't about grabbing every item with a yellow instant savings tag. It's about sticking to the items your household actually consumes before they spoil or collect dust in the garage. If this breakdown helped you shop smarter today, take half a second to like the video, share it with someone who loves a good warehouse run, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. Before you head out to the store, there's one more thing you should know. A lot of those Kirkland Signature products sitting on the shelves are actually manufactured by major name brands behind closed doors. Keep an eye out for our next video coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there.